here with Yolissa Hair again. Okay, so it's same drawstring bag as usual. It's branded and it has their contact and website and social media on the back of the bag. There's a few goodies inside. So I got a elastic band, I got a edge brush and comb, a pair of lashes, and finally a wig cap. For today's wig, I have a 13x4 lace front body wave wig. Guys, this is so bouncy and full, shiny and soft. It looks really good. It's also 18 inches long and it's 180% in density, so that's really nice and full. I love the luster. It's really well put together. I really would love to just go ahead and rock it with this same kind of bounce. I love the way it looks. So as I said, yes, it's 13x4 right across the front here in the cap, and it has a total of 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and this is how it looks. A medium brown lace. The front is lightly plucked, so if you wish to go in there and pluck it further, you can. It's not a lot of work though, because it looks pretty good as is, and I'm gonna install it and show you guys that it looks really good. So you see, as I slip it on, the hairline really doesn't look bad with how it comes initially. As I say, it's really up to you and your preference how deep you want the graduation to be, which will determine if you go in or not. But look at the bones. It's giving classy, it's giving dinner dates, it's giving dress up. I don't know, it's giving like that cute dress vibe. That's the curls, the bones. It's just that nice, big, sexy, soft curl look. I really love the way it came curled. I really don't want to have to do much to alter the way it came out of the packaging. Anyway, so I'm gonna line this up with my natural hairline. I'm using Got to Be as my adhesive today. So you guys know, I'm just gonna take off. It's pretty long past my ears, so I'm gonna take off the excess around the ear portion. As you know, it's a medium cap that I always get for my wigs, so I'm just gonna take off that much. Oh, what I actually forgot to tell you guys, this is actually it's actually HD lace that we're working with, so this will melt down pretty nice. Yolissa always have great quality. I really can't complain when it comes on to their wigs. They always ensure it's well constructed, and the job done on it is just always really nice. So this is how it's looking. It's nice and melted so far with that initial application of Got to Be. So I'm gonna take my time and start removing the excess lace. I just had to get close so you guys can see it better. Nice and melted. So I'm just gonna go ahead, remove the rest of the lace, and then I'll come back. this is how the wig is looking without me having to go in and recurl anything. This is exactly how it came out the package. I just went ahead and made the parting more precise. As you guys can see, it is so full and bouncy. Let me show you the back. That looks really good. I really don't have to do anything to this wig. It is a 10, just like how it comes in the packaging. So I absolutely think that's stunning. Yolissa did it again with another amazing wig. I'm going to be sure to put the information on this wig in my description box, as well as all the specifications and all that good stuff. So go ahead and check it out for sure. Yeah, that's how we're looking. As I said, I feel like this is just a nice, classy, you know, big, sexy, curly wig or hair look rather. You could go ahead, wear this on date night, wear this for a special occasion, wear this for, I don't know, something. It gives timeless as well, you know. I mean, the lace is HD, you know, nice center part vibe. It looks good. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. And that's it for today's wig look. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.